Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Hey y'all, it's Kim Rock here. You already know what it is and what's up if you've been here before. And if it's your first time, come join the club. It's a vibe and it's lit over here. Okay, click that red button. Today we're gonna get into another wig install. Honestly, the half wigs have been doing it for me. Like, I'm able to just go to bed with no holy by hair on my head. My scalp gets to breathe. I can moisturize my hair daily and I can switch up the looks. One day I have black hair, the next day I'm blonde, the next day I got a 99J, if you know what I'm saying, okay? So this is a wig install. It's so quick. This is like the easiest wig install. So I don't have to go into too much, but you just get the material. And yeah, I think I'm gonna bring the blonde back. Because I've had the black. I'm like, okay, let me do black. It's classy, it's cute. But honestly, I feel like I need to bring back the blonde. We need to bring back the blonde. So I might get some more blonde units for the summer. But yes, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Let's go on the way to 10K subscribers. So yeah, bye guys. Mwah. Yeah. See y'all in the next video. Bye.